Right now on DIY Gourmet, we're unboxing the ham. It usually starts with the netting. Go ahead, tear that off or cut it with the scissors. After that, make sure you pull the glaze aside because you're going to need that later if you happen to use it. After you get past the glaze, you're going to get into the actual proper foil plastic wrap that you're going to go ahead and take off and get rid of, hopefully be able to recycle, which leaves us with the final layer, the thicker plastic vacuum sealing bag that holds it in and keeps it nice and fresh and juicy. Go ahead and put it on its flat face. Let the bubbles drain down a little bit. When you see them coming up, you know it's going the right way. Take that scissor, cut an air hole. Let that air hole go ahead and ventilate inside so that the vacuum sealing comes apart and allows the juices to go down to the bottom so that you can cut from the top and not have it spill out of the side while you're trying to open it. From there, you can cut long ways down from the top towards the bottom, giving yourself just enough room to take the ham out while still having the juices contained inside the plastic. Do it yourself gourmet, folks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.